friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Model Shell 2 Open Beta Gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on Power and then select Restart. So this will restart your PC. Restarting is a process that will simply resolve any kind of bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just restart your PC. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check whether Gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that you have to go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, come back again, this time select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, launch the game and check whether Gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, click on, and from here you have to first remove the controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device once. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check if the Gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Windows update option over here, and after that click on check for updates. So this will check if there is an update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check. So here you will be able to see an update option. If there is available, click on it, wait for some time. Once the game is updated, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to use big picture mode. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode. You simply have to select it and you have to enter big picture mode. So click on it. After you enter big picture mode, select your game and click on the play button. After that, click on Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode and check whether the Gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are solutions suggested to fix Gamepad or controller not working issue in Mortal Shell 2 Open Beta game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.